Cala Lombard's beach is nestled on the island of Mallorca, Spain, like a precious gem in the middle of the Central Geographical Sea. With its wild beauty and clear blue sea, Cala Lombard's attracts visitors with its smooth white sand and wonderful natural scenery. The area around the beach is surrounded by soaring cliffs, creating a peaceful and private atmosphere. It is one of the highlights on the island's southeast coast, located near the town of Santani, about 60 kilometers southeast of the capital Palma. Cala Lombard's ideal location between major seaports, such as Cala Figuera and Porto Petro, facilitates access from other tourist destinations on the island of Mallorca. Cala Lombard's beach experiences a warm and temperate climate, which creates ideal conditions for visitors to enjoy the beautiful scenery throughout the year. With a long summer, from May to October, average daily temperatures range from 25 to 30 degrees Celsius, providing an ideal environment to enjoy the beach and suburban activities. Cala Lombard's beach, it is not difficult for you to encounter hot, vibrant, and seductive girls. With the sun shining, their skin tanned and their hair blowing in the ocean breeze, they shined amidst the beautiful scenery of the beach. The impact of tourism on Cala Lombard's beach is not only economic development, but also an important factor in protecting the environment and promoting local sustainable development. In addition, tourism also provides opportunities to promote local culture and create understanding and respect between tourists and local communities. This cultural exchange can create memorable experiences and increase trust between parties, while helping tourism become a positive force, supporting the comprehensive development of communities and protecting the environment. School. not only bring beautiful images and interesting stories, but also want to share meaningful experiences and valuable lessons from our exploration journeys. Subscribe to our channel today so you don't miss any new videos, and let's go into the magical world of travel and exploration together.